Hello everyone, this is Patient Ekle Ugochukwu. I'm happy to inform you that Pekle Africa video series is back on your screen, and today's video I'll be showing you how to create your Facebook business page using your Android phone for your business. Okay, so now this is my phone screen, as you can see, and the first icon here is the Facebook icon. All you need to do is to click on it. I just did, and this is my Facebook. All right, then let me click on my profile to show you that this is my Facebook profile, Patience Ekle Ugochukwu. Okay, this is it. All right, then now all you need to do is to click this three horizontal line at the top right corner of your phone. I just clicked on it, and then you click on pages. Okay, I just clicked on pages, and then you see other pages here that I'm managing for a lot of other clients. And then by the left side, the first icon here, you see a plus sign, and you click on create. Okay, then if you click on create, already telling you to create your page, and then you just click on get started at this blue icon. All right, I just clicked it. The first thing you need to do is to put your page name. Okay, so the name of your business, by now you should have one name for your business and like that. So let me just write Pekle Homes. That's the name of the business. Pekle Homes. Okay, so you click on next. I'm done typing Pekle Homes. You click on next. It's loading. So what category best describe this page? All right, and then you see there's real estate, there's personal blog, beauty, cosmetics, personal care, and the rest. You just click on real estate. Okay, yeah, then you click on your next button, which is here, and then they tell you, do you want to add an address? If you don't want to add any address, you just click on skip at the top here. There's skip here. You click on skip, and they say add images to this page. All right, if you want to add image, there's add cover photo and add profile picture, just like your ordinary Facebook profile. Okay, and you must know that you must have a profile for you to be able to create a page, a business page. So I'm going to click on the cover photo, and let me just pick a photo from here. Let me use this little baby's photo. Okay, that's the cover photo, and then saved. You see that it is saved already. You can also click on profile photo. All right, um let me use this one. It's not a blog anyway, but let me just use this image here, and then you save. So when you click on save, you come here and you click on done. Click on done. All right, you can see that there are other important informations that you'll be adding, like your phone number and a whole lot of other stuff you'll be adding. Okay, but you see that the page is created already. Every other information that you will need, if you come under some pages that I have on this account, you see the Pekle Homes here. You click on it, is your new page. You can add every other information concerning this page, okay, as time progresses. And you can also invite friends to like and follow your page so that they can be seeing the businesses you will be doing there. Then you have important next step, continue, and you add other relevant information in regards to your business that you're running. Then you see here create post. Just the way you create post on your profile, you can click on create a post, and maybe you must have copied the post from WhatsApp. It doesn't have anything relating to Pekle Homes, so there will be no need of me posting it. Once you paste whatever you want to post, you just click on share. But I'll be going back. I'm discarding this post, but because it's not related to Pekle Homes. All right, so that's how to create your page. It's very simple and direct. Thank you so much, and don't forget to visit our website at pekleafrica.com Okay. And then you can always reach us for us to run your Facebook ads and do anything concerning affiliate marketing, build you a beautiful website for your business, and a whole lot of other stuff here online. So our number again here is 090 34296519. Thank you so much.